Hello viewers, this is IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning Tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to make Google the default search engine in Microsoft Edge browser. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To make Google the default search engine in Microsoft Edge, click on three dot icon on upper right corner, then click on settings. Now click on privacy, search and services. Now scroll down. You'll find the last option, address bar and search. Click on it. Now you'll find the option search engine used in the address bar. By default, it's Bing search and it's recommended in Microsoft Edge browser. Now click on the drop down menu and now select Google. Now click on Manage Search Engine and you will find here Google is the default search engine in Microsoft Edge right now. Now I am going to try to search something in Microsoft Edge browser. I am opening a new tab and in address bar I am typing hello. Hello friends. Just hit enter. Look, the search results come from Google. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.